Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful.
As you would know by the title of the video that I am going to LA. I'm so happy. I am so excited. So basically I'm going to LA for 3 days with my friends, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. On Friday we are planning to go to Universal Studios. First we were thinking to go to Disneyland, but apparently it's too kiddish, so we are going to go to Universal Studios. Day 2 is going to be LA tourism and day 3 is probably going to be Santa Monica, and on day 3 like evening there's our flight, so we are coming back on Sunday night itself. So it's a short trip, but it's going to be super fun. I'm so excited. I went to Primark. I had bought fairy lights for the room, but I don't need I don't need the fairy lights anymore, so I exchanged it and I bought this for $2, the travel package thing. I guess you might be thinking I'm wearing a sweater and so much dhoop. It's because I ordered this from Shop Cider. It's super cute. I thought I'll wear this in LA, but apparently it's not that cold in LA. Like last week when I saw the weather, it was pretty cold over there, but apparently it's not that cold now. So I bought this top and this skirt. It's like a quad set, but the outfit is not giving. So I thought that I am going to curate all my outfits for 3 days. So pack with me for my LA trip. And yeah, let's get started with the video. The first top is this one. It's ribbed. Is it visible? It's ribbed. I thought I'll wear cargo pants, like beige cargo pants with this. I know it's super basic, but I remember that I stained my cargo pants. It looks like poop, but I swear it's not poop. You guys should watch the video about how this happened to my pants and then come back to this video.
Why? Let me show what happened, guys. Beautiful butt that is stained, and that looks like she shat herself. and Didi is giving ideas about how kids poop themselves in the diaper and then the poop comes out of them.
When it's overloaded, it either leaks or it leaks from ऊपर और नीचे.
पैशन से बात करना है ना आपको ये सब के बारे में.
So yeah, that happened to my cargo pants, but I'm thinking to pair this top with either like blue denim skirt or
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
plain like basic black jeans, because why not? I do have this denim skirt. I was thinking to wear this as an outfit for one of the nights in LA. Now the second top is this one. I have worn this before, but as long as it's not posted on Instagram, I can wear it how much ever time I want to. I wore it last year on New Year's, and after that I think my sister wore it once, but nobody has posted on Instagram, so it's a new top. Girl math. It's this. It has a lot of ruffles. Super cute. Cream denim skirt with this red top. But I don't want to end up looking like I'm going to a Christmas party or something. This is outfit number 3 as an option. This outfit is giving core Blair Waldorf, I would say. If I just wear like a headband over here. You guys should comment down below the outfit that you guys like and think I should wear on the trip. Now the next outfit is a corset top. So I literally saw Kritika Khurana wear this corset top, and I was like, I have this. I have to wear this. Okay, so this corset top with this satin skirt I love, and that's how I look. I'm thinking if I should wear it with a skirt, if it'll look too extra. Now this is a super cute top and the skirt, they go well together, but I bought this skirt. It looks like a skirt and it's shorts, and I think it looks like a quad set. We are also going to go to the beach on one of the days, and Didi had bought this swimsuit so she could wear it at a boat party. You can tie this however. Print is giving the Deepika Padukone song. I'm carrying this. Since she is not wearing it, I get to wear it. This topi, which is also my sister's, it says Calvin Klein, super cute. You guys, I wore this top again to just see if it's going with some jeans. And I tied my hair up, and now suddenly I look like I'm going to Hawaii. These are the outfits that I'm thinking to pack. The corset and jeans, yellow top, the beige outfit, swimwear night suit, the shampoo whatever bottles, and my disposable camera. So yeah, let me know if these outfits look good or I should change anything. Now that I'm done recording, the sun is, but night dress picture.